Yo guys, what's up? My name is Nick, and this is a new series called The Shoe That I'm Fucking With The Most this week. So let's get into it, and I'll show you guys the shoe that I'm fucking with heavy this week. Alright guys, so the shoe that I fucks with the most this week is the Air Max 97 South Beach. Now, a lot of you guys might be saying to yourselves, Nick, why do you fuck with this shoe the most this week? It's not even the summertime, it's not even spring, it's cold and it's fall. Well, the reason I'm fucking with this right now is that, everyone's dressing all gloomy. This is the time of year that people give up and SAD starts to kick in, seasonal affective disorder, so people don't give a fuck about how they dress. But personally, I have SAD, I still care about how I look. And these catch the eyes. I throw on some fire fits, I put these on, I snap necks. And when you're snapping necks, that's how you know that other people fucks with this shoe. And when other people fucks with the shoe that I fuck with, then I know that everyone's gonna fuck with it, because most people don't know anything about shoes. If you're watching this video, you probably know about shoes. And yeah, you probably fucks with these. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what shoes you fuck with this week in the comments below. And until next time, I'm out.